What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, it is the start of a new week, so we got new deals, and I'm loving the Walgreens deals. Pretty much loving them so far. I kind of haven't got into all of them, so I really don't know what all of them are. I'm going to just show y'all the ones that I did. And I took a little trips to Smith's today because they got some pretty hot deals as well. So I want to show y'all what I got from Smith's. I didn't go to the Dollar General, but I do have a deal in mind that I will be showing y'all this week, probably tomorrow, what I'm going to do at the Dollar General. So, before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So, with that being said, let's get into these Walgreens deals, y'all, because by the looks of it, when I walked into Walgreens, y'all, stuff is flying off the shelf and people are really doing these deals. Okay, y'all, here are the two transactions I did. And I did do men's products, y'all, because I do not discriminate, but I do have to get stocked up on my men's body wash. But by the looks of it, these Old Spice products and Olay products are flying off the shelf. And basically, the deal is you buy 3 select P&G bath products and you earn $8 register rewards. And just a minute ago, they was giving $5 register rewards for 3. And I think that deal kind of got played out, so they upped the ante, y'all. $8 whole back when you buy 3. So the transaction was, I got 3 of these men body washes. They were $7 each. 3 of them is gonna total you $21. We have a $5 digital attaching, and that $5 either works with the men or women. So if you want to get 3 men and 3 women, of course you are going to use 2 different accounts, because the $5 coupon that you got, you can either get either or I'm guessing you can mix and match as long as you buy 3 bath products. But anyway, they were $21. That $5 is coming off, making them 16. You gonna pay that, get back $8 register rewards, making all 3 of these $8 are $2.66 each. And I'm guessing you can use Walgreens cash to pay the $16 down and make it even cheaper, but that is on you. And everybody has, account is different. You might not have no Walgreens cash. Some people might have Walgreens cash. It just depends on what's in your account, but I just broke it down the way that I did it. Okay, now enough. And I thought they was giving money back on Ibotta for the women's Olay, and I guess they hurry up and took it away because I didn't see it on mine, and that's another reason why I got the men's. But they are giving money back on Ibotta for the men's, just not these ones. So if y'all want to get the ones that are a little more expensive to get that extra money back, go right ahead. But I got these, and Ibotta's not giving money back on these. Okay, y'all. Then they have another deal at Walgreens. When you spend 25 or more on select men zone products, you will earn $10 register reward. Yes, finally they are doing something for the men, because they really don't have no good deals on the men's body wash and stuff except for the Old Spice. But this time, if you spend 25 on select men's zone products, and I'm still figuring out what the men zone products are. So far I know it's the Harry's and the Everyman Jack, and I think it's the Nivea too. But when I scanned them, they didn't pop up. But I know if you buy two men's Niveas, you get back $5 register reward. So I don't know, y'all. I just got these. And I'm gonna tell y'all what to do, cause my transaction was messed up, y'all, by 2 cents, believe it or not. So let me tell y'all my transaction. So the Everyman Jack, they are $5.99, are two for $11. And then on the Harry's, they are two for $6.99. So that's gonna cost you $13.98 for two. You're gonna get back $4 on Ibotta, because Ibotta is giving back $2 per body wash, limit 3. And I don't know why I didn't get 3, y'all. I just got 2. But next time I'm getting 3 to get my $6 back. But I got back $4 on Ibotta, making the two $9.98 or $4.99 each. So the total for all of these, y'all, was $24.98. I was 2 cents short of getting my $10 back, but the manager and them know me in the store, so I told them what happened, and I picked up a Duke Cannon. Oh yeah, those body wash too are in the men's on the Duke Cannon, and they are on sale too. But I picked up one of those and was gonna do the transaction over, add one more body wash. But he was like, for 2 cents, come on now. So he went on and added the $10 to my account. So my transaction was $24.98. I used $8 register rewards. It was the $8 that I got back from the Old Spice. I used it towards that, and it dropped my total down to $16.98. So then I paid that, but then I got back my $10 Walgreens cash, $4 on Ibotta, making all four of these $2.98 are 74 cents each for each one of these, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. So if you have sons, husbands, fiancés, whatever the case may be, tap into Walgreens, because they got hot deals on the men's body washes this week. Now, y'all, like I told you, I dibbled and dabbled with Smith's today, also known as Kroger's. And they have other sister stores. So if y'all live close by one of those or shop at these stores, you might want to check out these next deals. So let's get into these Smith's deals. Okay, y'all, I went to two Smiths today, but these items right here is from the very first Smiths I went to. So, y'all, on the Downy and Bounce products, they are $4.99 on sale. And it's a $2 coupon that you have to clip in order to get these for $4.99. And I think you can do it like 5 times in a single transaction, but I just went and picked up 4. So for these 4 at $4.99, they were $19.96, under $20. And you have your 66 ounces of Downy fabric softener, and then the Downy Light Mega Sheets is 80, and then the bounce sheets is like 160, and these are normally like $7.99. So for them to be $4.99, y'all, that is a good price point. And they are not the little skinny ones. These are the kind of big ones too. So you are getting your money's worth for them. Then on the Downy Unstoppable beads, the beads and the rinse, that rent stuff they got, the Downy rent stuff is buy one get one free. But these were $7.49. We have a $2 digital in the Smiths app, making it $5.49. So I paid $5.49 for these two unstoppable beads. Then for this particular set, the cranberry crumble, it is on sale. Cause this 2-pack is usually like $11.79, but it was $7.55, and we have a $2.50 off digital for Febreze products. So I got this for $5.05. It was $7.55. That $2.50 came off, making it $5.05. So that is my first two transactions from the same Smiths. Then a little bit later, I went and I'm about to show y'all those items. Okay, y'all, here is the last items I had got from Smiths. And yeah, let's get into the prices, y'all. This was $7, and it has the little $7 at the top, and I thought it was neat. Plus it was like the only one left, so I guess people been buying these. And you can never have too many good knives, because knives seem like they get dull so quick nowadays. You always gotta keep buying them. And I'm not spending $100-something on no knife, so I just keep buying the cheap ones. Then when they get dull, just buy some more. So those are $7. Then on this the glowing campfire, it was $2.80, no coupons. It was on clearance. Then the Febreze bamboo, it was $5.89. It's a $2.50 Febreze coupon in the app, made it $3.39. And this was done on a different account because I had already used my $2.50 off. So this is on my daughter's account. Then on the Glade, they have a coupon as well, a $2. So this one was on clearance for $3. That $2 came off, making these $1. Then this candy and fried thermometer, I like making it's like grapes and stuff that you put like make the candy and put the candy on top of the grapes or whatever. I like making those. And sometimes you need a thermometer when you boil the sugar in the water to see it's supposed to get to a certain temperature. See how that candy apple is? Well, that's the kind of candy I make that goes on top of the fruit and stuff, and it has to be a certain temperature. But this was on clearance for $3.04, and it said it was $6.99. So I got that, y'all. So that is the deals I did today and some little clearance items I bumped into. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I'll be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.